Getting a product to market isn't easy. To be efficient, it takes a collaborative effort in all phases of development. The 3D ExperienceWorks portfolio enables you to unify your product development process into a single source of truth that streamlines your development and drives efficiency, from concept to release. With 3D Product Architect, you can easily concept and visualize product structures, all without the need for a CAD license. Accelerate the creation of your ideas by searching for existing parts and assemblies from your past designs. And once added, you can organize the product structure with a simple drag and drop. Your ideas are visually represented with a dynamic on-screen preview, allowing you to control the visibility of components, as well as move them in order to better understand their geometry. Isolate and measure parts to validate key dimensions and ensure proper fit. And snap components into their rough positions using simple on-screen tools, ensuring you don't tie up valuable engineering CAD resources at the concept phase. Reusing existing designs can take your concept only so far. Markups are a powerful way to communicate and further clarify your idea. When new design items are required, build them into your product structure at the concept phase. You can provide the item with a name and pick the authoring CAD tool in order to facilitate collaboration. When you're ready, pull a part number for your newly created item and assign the work to the engineer responsible for the development. When it's time to engineer the design, the product structure and the markup are available in SolidWorks, providing designers with a head start in making your concept a reality. And because everything is unified, there's no need to export the bill of material as a disconnected spreadsheet in order to manage the release. The product structure is up to date in Product Release Engineer, ensuring you're always working with the latest definition. Convenient views enable you to flatten the design structure to see the full quantities of needed components. Powerful filtering isolates parts based on custom property information and can be further grouped to provide additional clarity. Groups can be selected, making it easy to update the custom property information of multiple items all at once, saving you time. As parts are ready, you can accelerate their manufacture and purchase by setting the designs to released. And finally, when you're ready to develop a new addition to the product line, the duplicate command provides powerful tools that enable you to maximize the reuse of your designs. From early definition to final release, the 3D ExperienceWorks portfolio enables you to create a single source of truth that streamlines your product development so you can get to market faster.